The external power supply finally allows you to power your field controller with the AC power outlet. The power supply delivers DC current to the field controller, and it works worldwide. Simply connect your external power supply to the external battery plug of your field controller. And you can run it as long as you want to without the need to recharge the batteries. However, if the AC outlet ever fails, the field controller automatically switches over to the battery supply without any downtime. So the new external power supply is a very useful new accessory. If you're interested in this product, please contact us on our website pyrodigital.com.